Complete, complete the following sentences. The RBI is dash gold loan rules because lots of people are borrowing against gold as the value of the precious metal shoots up. Answer option C, changing. In aviation, steel refers to Dutch aircraft ability to invincible to detection by radars. Option B. Of nearly 4,000 students in the 6 to 19 years age group dash across Delhi's public and private schools, 13.4% were found to be obese and 7.4% suffering from hypertension. Answer surveyed. As the assembly has not died, it retains the possibility of being revived when the prevailing conditions allow for the formation of a government. Option A, being dissolved. Not having a proper sleep schedule can be the culprit. Poor sleep habits like sleeping at unusual hours, electronic device before bed can contribute to frequent waking up at night. Option A, and using. Choose the most appropriate meaning of the word given below. Culprit, offender, greed, fate, optimistic, pessimistic, willful, headstrong, innovative, ingenious. Choose the correct option. Which year was the first partition of Bengal? 1905. Which country did Gandhi return from in 1915 to India? South Africa. Who was the first president of India? Rajendra Prasad. The Rashtrakuta dynasty ruled mainly which parts of India? Deccan region. Which country was not part of the Allied powers in World War II? Italy. When was NATO founded? Answer option C, after World War II. Which country is not in Europe? Seychelles. Which country does not use the euros as their currency? Denmark. Which state in India has the highest number of rivers? Uttar Pradesh. Which state is associated with Nilgiri Mountains? Tamil Nadu. What is the state animal of Meghalaya? Clouded leopard. The temperature at the core of the earth is roughly 2000 degrees. Magma that reaches the earth's surface and then solidifies is called lava. The cradles of civilization have been plains. The lowest temperature ever recorded was in Antarctica. Which is the most populated region in the earth? South Asia. Which of the following is a cash crop? Coffee. Which state produced the highest amount of rice in India? West Bengal. Which item listed below does India import the most? Vegetable oil. Which is the major economic sector in Meghalaya? Agriculture. Which mineral does Meghalaya export? Limestones. What is the approximate percentage of forest cover in Meghalaya? 82 to 86. Which state has the highest percentage of forest cover in India? Mizoram. Which district is Kremlin situated in? West Jaintia Hills. Which block was formed first in West Jaintia Hills district? Tatlatsking. Which district has the highest number of subdivisions in Meghalaya? West Garo Hills. What is INS Vikrant? Aircraft carrier. Which country produces the S-400 air defense system? Russia. What is the Gaganyaan mission taking place? 2025. Who is the owner of SpaceX? Elon Musk. Which of the following is not a space mission of India? All of the above. Who appoints the President of India? None of the above. How many legislative assembly seats does Delhi have? 70. How many legislative seats are reserved for STs in Meghalaya? 55. Which state was formed first in the northeast after independence? Assam. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha from Meghalaya from the northeast? P.A. Sangma. Which is the earliest empire from the list below? The Mughal Empire. The Battle of Haldighati was found during the reign of none of the above. Which Mauryan king was set up second Buddhist council? None of the above. Which empire was known as the Golden Age of India?